Are you ready to begin your next Halloween pumpkin? We're going to be working with our circle shape today. I have to say, I really like the song, the Five Little Pumpkins that's done by Super Simple Songs, the one that we just watched. I just love the illustrations on that one. Okay, so I'm going to take out my shapes. We're working with circles today, so I'm going to take my big circle mouth right here. That's going to go into my box so I don't lose it. And then again, I'm going to grab a pair of eyes, circles again. And I'm going to grab my nose, which is circles again. So this one's going to have all circles on it. Okay, so and I'll show you again from having Mrs. Ayala, from getting to teach with her, I've learned some of the ways that she to do some art with eyes, how to draw different kinds of eyes. So I'm going to copy one of hers today. I'm going to first cut out here. You can see I'm cutting the big circle, which is what I'm going to use for the mouth. Then I'm doing the littlest circle. I'm going to use this one for the nose. And then one more, and this is the, one more cutting part, but this has two things. These are the two eyes. Sorry. I'm focusing on cutting and I'm forgetting to talk to you at the same time. So do you ever get to help with carving a real pumpkin? They're kind of hard to do, but I think the first one that I ever did on my own, I think I had help from my older brothers and sisters, but would have been in like second grade, I think, because you have to be strong to cut through a pumpkin. They have pretty thick skin. And I also remember that when you're carving a pumpkin and you pull out the innards, they're kind of like slimy, the seeds and the pumpkin guts. Okay, so I'm going to put on the mouth first. Okay, that looks good right there to me. Oh, I forgot to do something. Make sure you write the number 4 on this one, because this is going to be your 4th pumpkin, okay? All right, then we're going to put on the nose. Okay, so there's my nose. And then I have my 2 circle eyes that I'm going to put on. So this is my circle shape. And then one. And then one more right here. One and 2. Okay, so if you look, this kind of looks like a scared pumpkin to me, but I'm going to do some things using a technique that Mrs. Ayala taught me. Let's see if I can get in close enough. I might bring my camera a little bit closer. Sorry about that, if I shook the camera, because I really want to show you something she showed me. You can make like a letter V and then kind of do a circle around it. Okay, so if you see, it looks... And then if you color that in, I really like the way that makes the eye look when you do that, okay? It makes the eye look kind of like it has a reflection in it. So this is something I learned from Mrs. Ayala. Okay, a V and then a circle, and then I'm gonna color it in so the V really shows. If I wanna put a tongue in the mouth, I kinda almost put like the humps of the lowercase m. And if I color that in, it looks like, kind of like it's got its mouth open and it's singing, right? Okay, then I'm going to put little dots right here on the nose, okay? Maybe a little bit bigger, almost like little U's, okay? And then over here, I'm going to do something here. I'm going to give mine some big, like triangle-shaped eyelashes coming this way. Okay, you know, this would be a good time if you wanted to give your pumpkin shark teeth. You could do that too, if you like sharks, okay? You could maybe turn it into a cat face if you wanted to. Okay, I'm just gonna keep mine like that. Okay, for me, that makes me perfectly happy right there. Maybe I'll give cheeks. It almost looks like my pumpkin is singing, right? Okay, so that's it. I'm going to throw away my trash. I've got my number 4 written on it, and then I'm just going to put this away, and I'll save it to share with you. This is for our Monday lesson, so we'll look at that together on Monday. Okay, so have fun making your pumpkin with your circle shapes today, boys and girls.